Yo, what's up guys, it's Aptrix here. In today's video, I'll be showing you a brand new method to spoof location in Pokemon Go using a Bluetooth connection which works even on iOS 18 devices without any jailbreak. So guys, for today's video, we'll be using the newest version of Tenorshare iAnyGo, which uses a revolutionary feature of wirelessly spoofing location using Bluetooth connection to spoof location without error 12 issues. In other Pokemon Go spoofing tools, you get very less features and they also have error 12 issues which require you to add a third-party Pokemon Go on your iPhone, but Tenorshare iAnyGo uses its own brand new technology which doesn't need you to use a different version of Pokemon Go. Now some of its features are as follows. You get joystick controls, you also get single spot, multi-spot and jump teleport modes which work flawlessly, and all of this spoofing can be done completely wirelessly. So let me show you guys how it actually works. You can try it out from the official link given in description box below. To start the Tenorshare iAnyGo setup, simply tap on the install button. This video has been sponsored by Tenorshare, but I'll be giving you guys my honest opinion on this tool to show you how well does it actually work. And there we go guys, our Tenorshare iAnyGo has successfully started. Now the first thing which I recommend you guys to do is simply tap on this profile icon and make sure to log into your Tenorshare ID. Once you guys have been logged in, you can start changing your location with the help of iAnyGo. You guys can check out its features such as single spot movement, multi-spot movement, joystick movement along with jump teleport, but I recommend you guys to go with the first option. Afterwards, make sure to read the warning that this tool is only created for educational, entertainment and privacy purposes. With that being said, let's tap on the enter button. Afterwards, you'll need to connect your iOS or Android device to the PC. So guys, here is my iPhone. I'll simply connect it to my PC by using a USB cable, and once that has been done, it will be automatically recognized in iAnyGo. I'll simply press the next button until the connection is successful. Afterwards, you can either use game mode if you only want to spoof location in games. I personally recommend you guys to do this option, or else you can choose general mode so it will work with all the apps. But for today's video, as we'll be spoofing Pokemon Go, we'll go with the game mode. Here you'll get some instruction to pair your PC Bluetooth with your mobile device Bluetooth. We won't require to use any USB or Wi-Fi connection after doing this. To start off, make sure to enable the Bluetooth on your PC. Open Bluetooth on your iPhone. Afterwards, make sure to connect to your PC. Once the connection is successful, it will ask you to do the following stuff by going into privacy and security and making sure to turn off the location services. And with this method, you won't get any sort of error issues while spoofing your location in Pokemon Go. We'll need to turn off location services, cellular network and Wi-Fi for 10 seconds and then turn them back on. And as you guys can see, I have turned off the Wi-Fi on my iPhone along with that location services. Now that it's been 10 seconds, let me turn on location. Afterwards, turn on your Wi-Fi. Once these steps are completed, we can simply tap on the next button. By the way, in game mode, keeping Bluetooth connection is sufficient. There is no need to maintain a USB or Wi-Fi connection, so that's the plus point. Afterwards, we'll need to go to general and make sure to reset your location and privacy settings. This can be done by simply opening your settings app. Afterwards, going to general and then scroll down until you find this option. Then simply tap on reset. Afterwards, make sure to choose the reset location and privacy section. And there we go guys, now we can start using our Tenorshare iAnyGo tool on our PC directly with the help of the game mode. Once the iAnyGo tool has been set up, our final step will be to simply launch Pokemon Go on our iOS device. Afterwards, tap on allow while using the app. So there we go, our game has successfully started, and immediately you will be able to see I am using an wireless connection and the Pokemons are spawning properly. We are not seeing any error messages, which means that Tenorshare iAnyGo is working properly. Now towards the left side of your screen, you will be able to see my iPhone, and towards the right side is the Tenorshare iAnyGo tool. Now the first feature which I want to show of this app is the search feature. So at the top left corner, you will be able to see an search bar where you can enter the name of any place in the entire world and you will be able to teleport to that location. You guys will be able to see that the location will pop up right here. I'll simply press the first option and the map will automatically load. Now if I want to directly teleport to this location, I can simply tap on start to modify, then tap on continue button. And there we go guys, now you will be able to see we have been successfully teleported to New York City in USA. So let's head back to Dubai and you will be able to see we are back at our previous location. Now the next feature which I want to show you guys is the joystick movements. Once you tap on the joystick movement option at the right side, you will be able to see a joystick will pop up. Now what you can do is use the WASD or arrow keys of your keyboard to control the direction of your character's movement. Simply increase the speed of your joystick controls. For example, I'll set my speed to 40 kilometers. Simply use the joystick control. You can see that now we are moving forward. It has been locked successfully, and you can even change the direction without removing the lock. Now if you want to stop this movement, you can simply press this red button and your movement will successfully stop within few seconds. I want to show you guys another feature of Tenorshare iAnyGo. This is the change location feature which we used previously to teleport to New York, but it also works in short-term distances. For example, let's say you want to teleport here. You can tap on start to modify, then tap on continue, and you guys will be able to see our location has been successfully teleported. So this is the teleportation mode. We also get few more options such as the single spot movement. Now let me create a single spot movement to this location. Afterwards, we'll set our speed as 42 km per hour and we'll select as round trip. Afterwards, simply tap on start navigation. Tenorshare iAnyGo will automatically create a route. Now you can simply tap on start to move. Afterwards, tap on continue once again, and you guys will be able to notice that our character has started moving to that location that we chose, and you will also be able to see the distance and ETA in the Tenorshare iAnyGo app. Now if you want to pause your location spoofing and then catch any Pokemon, you can do that too by simply tapping on the pause button. So this is how simple it is to customize your speed and route in Tenorshare iAnyGo's single spot movement. Now let's say you want to travel to multiple destinations or multiple spots. That's where multi-spot movement comes in, where you can create your own route which your character will follow. For example, I have created this straight line route. Afterwards, I'll set the route to this location and then to this location. I'll increase my speed to 60 or 70 km per hour. Afterwards, tap on start to move option. Now what Tenorshare iAnyGo will do is that it will follow the route that I created strictly. It won't create its own planned route, which is useful if you want to travel to a specific destination. Now iAnyGo also has features like jump teleport mode. So it is similar to the teleport mode which I showed you guys few seconds ago, and it is also like the multi-spot movement where you can teleport to multiple destinations. So I have set these 3 points. I'll simply tap on start to move. You guys will be able to see that we have teleported to our first location, and if you have any business here, you can simply catch your Pokemon or do the gym battles. Afterwards, tap on start to move once again and move to your next destination. So yeah, it works completely well without giving any error messages. You don't need to have a jailbroken iOS device. It is that simple if you want to spoof your location in Pokemon Go on iOS 18 or 17 devices. Now let me show you guys some more features of Tenorshare iAnyGo. You get multi-device connections. Let's say you want to spoof location in 3 iPhones simultaneously. You can do that. You can also create your favorite locations by favoriting any destination that you travel to by tapping on the star icon. You also get the option to scan all the PokéStops and gyms near you, import GPX file, and the most important thing, that is to reset your location to your original location. So guys, in conclusion, I'd like to say that this is a very useful tool and I would definitely recommend you guys to try it out from the official link given in description box below. Nonetheless, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.